Alright guys, welcome back to another video here. Let's go over why is my hat crushed? My hat is crushed. Okay, I think the cats may have been playing with the hat. They're probably crushing it or something, but looks like I fixed it. Well, it doesn't matter. What I'm here to talk about is being patient. Being patient. Today is a time to be patient because Nvidia does have earnings coming up. Nvidia stock earnings date. Let me just show it to you today. Yes, it is coming tomorrow. That's why today we had a sell-off. Nvidia's had a pretty significant sell-off. We'll talk about sound here in a little bit. I just want to talk about Nvidia. Surprise, surprise! Nvidia has its first sell-off in a long time, and it brings the market as a whole down. Okay, so why is this important? Because this is important to keep in mind because any AI related stocks are something to keep an eye on because earnings will determine the next move for stocks, not just the stock market as a whole, but also it will determine AI stocks movement. So sound, I mean, look at AI. Literally, the name of the stock is AI. It had a big red day as well. So what I would keep a close eye on is, again, this is a sound video. I would keep a close eye on Nvidia earnings, see what kind of reaction we get, and then if it's a positive reaction, we would expect not only the market as a whole to go up, at least for that day, but also AI stocks are going to get some fuel. They're going to get, especially if they speak positively on AI. Like anything AI related, it's just going to get a move. That's what I believe. I mean, I could be wrong, right? But if everything goes well with Nvidia earnings, we could see sound explode here. It tried. It did go up above $4 and it tried to break above 430, but it got pushed down. Dips are still being bought. We're technically creating higher lows here and higher highs. But I think because of the anticipation of earnings for Nvidia, I think that's kind of why the market's red and people are just kind of selling off, and then we'll see what kind of reaction we get. People don't really want to be holding stock with Nvidia uh, up to bat more than anything because it can Nvidia can send the market up or down. We don't know. It's a 50-50, right? That's I'm not going to play the 50-50 earnings game, but what I will do is I will be patient. I will wait. Like I said, people are buying the dip. It keeps this should have tanked already. The fact that it's creating higher lows and higher highs is insane. I think we're inside a wedge, I believe. Let me check here real quick on sound. This is what I'm seeing. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but I'm seeing a stock inside a wedge. We did today. Today at open, we did come up as high as 434. We actually broke out of the wedge and got pushed right back down to the bottom of the trend line wedge. So we'll see. It's really, I think it's going to be dependent on Nvidia earnings. So you're either going to go up or down. That's just the nature of this triangle. I'm anticipating upside, but only if Nvidia, you know, only if it works out for Nvidia. Some people are saying things are already priced in for Nvidia, so we're probably going to dump, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. Let's just see what happens. I'm not going to speculate. Let's see what happens. Things go well, sound's going to move, and it's going to go to $5 plus. And I'm watching that. I've been watching this one because I want to jump in. I think this is a good play here, not just long term, but also for a good swing trade as well. But I also had to be cautious because I don't want to buy up here and then it comes back down, right? So, and then I become a long term holder because I have no choice. So, or I could buy and then set a stop loss, but I think I'm just going to play it safe, let Nvidia do its thing and see if it sends us higher. And we can buy and ride the AI hype because that's the kind of power that Nvidia has. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Nvidia is the big one, and it's tomorrow. Don't sleep on it. Sound, it's an AI stock. Again, if that thing gets fuel, even just fuel in sympathy with Nvidia's run up, if it gets one, it's going to explode, guys. Do not miss out on this. Do not. Do not sleep on it. And I'll keep it short and sweet. I like AI. I like the stock. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I had to get out the camera for this one and the cutesy background, but like this is some serious money that can be made. Don't sleep on AI. All right, guys.